Hey everyone, welcome to Secondhand Blasters. This is Normatico speaking. So I got a question for you all. You are stuck on an abandoned island, say Nerf Island, and you want to get out. And there's a whole bunch of people there having a massive Nerf war that you just want nothing, no part of. You got to launch something to call for help. We got the perfect blaster for that. Introducing the Nerf Fortnite series, Super Flare. So this blaster, it does retail usually around $16.99. I've seen it as high as $44.99 from some crackhead on eBay thinking that they're going to be slick. The average price that I've seen on eBay right about now, since it's no longer really on the shelves, is around $23.99. I do know that on Amazon right now, you can get it on sale. I was able to actually get a hold of one of these for only $8. And looking at this blaster, I can see why it's $8. I cannot see why anybody would be charging $44 for this. Let's look at this box, shall we? So you have the Super Flare. It only comes with 3 mega darts, and it does shoot 1 dart at a time that you have to use a break open load to reload the dart each time in the actual breach. Now, again, it does come with 3 mega darts that are the blue and the red darts. They're different than the normal Mega Darts, which is kind of cool. Of course, if this is just standard Mega Dart size and not the Mega XLs, thankfully, you should be able to find these darts anywhere in case you lose the 3 that this comes with. Again, you can only load up 1, and I don't know if there's actual storage for any more darts on this. We'll check. So the fact that you get 3 is kind of decent. But at the price point that they put on these, I would have expected more darts. But again, you are paying for that right there, the Epic Games tax. That little sticker. So, that being said, let's go ahead and unbox this thing.
Oh, what's in the box?
So straight off the bat, we will see that this box, it does have the plastic-free packaging, which is kind of nice. It has the papers here, which are notoriously tough to cut with a box cutter. However, let's see if we can do this time. Scissors beat paper always. Really? Just one? So that one wrapped around twice. All right, so there's the blaster. Set that to the side. And there are darts here on the side. Let's cut open this tape here. And again, waste not, want not. We got the paper here. I joke that this is the crunchy noodle paper you get at a Chinese restaurant. So there are our 3 mega darts. Light blue with the orange tip. And, like usual, the mega darts will scream. So not only are you calling for help, you are screaming for help with these. Let's get rid of this box. And let's look at the blaster itself. So the blaster itself, obviously, if you would like to mod it, it does have metal screws in here. I don't see why you would actually want to mod this thing. Paint-wise, I'll be honest with you, this looks pretty good for a flare gun. Maybe put a black handle here if anything, but I'd leave it just like this because flare guns are supposed to be a loud color. So I will say that this grip here, this texture, that actually feels nice. That is actual rubber on there, which is really cool. The quality there is actually amazing. That's a nice grip. And it's flexible too. Hard plastic with a rubber wrapping. That's cool. That is impressive, Hasbro. Especially as you play with this, this looks like it might get dirty, which is kind of the effect that I think they're going to want to go with. That's also neat because it just swings around. So you can actually wear this on like a clip and just have it bounce around on your leg, which is kind of neat. Since, again, it is a flare gun. I don't think anyone's going to use this as a primary weapon. Now, again, I must say, I don't play Fortnite, so I don't know if there is a character that uses that as a primary weapon. The box actually has a character of someone that looks like Tom Hanks from the movie Castaway, but whatever. So that opens up the breech. Now, here's the ultimate test. That's cool. That's really cool. You pull that, and then you fire. Okay. All right. I can dig this. So, one thing I'll point out, like a lot of the Fortnite guns, there is no tactical rail on here, and that's okay because it is a flare gun. Who's going to honestly use a scope on a flare gun? I certainly wouldn't. I don't know anybody that would. I don't think that there are any Picatinny rails on any flare guns out in the market right now. I really do like the fact that this is flimsy enough that you can just do that with, which is really cool, especially if you already have it primed. Boom. That's satisfaction. So, $8. I like this. This is really good. Hasbro, you did a good job with this one. I'm not even going to bother to take it on the range because I don't expect this to have as much of a range as some other Mega blasters do. If it gets the range of a Magnus, I would be overjoyed. However, my plan on using this is for an upcoming LARP where I can use this as literally a signal to rally the troops, so to speak. I like this. I like this. You know, it loads up easy, goes in, kapow. Now, even if you're a smaller child, that is a very easy trigger, and that closes pretty easily. So it does say 8 and up on the box. I would feel safe giving this to a smaller child. Of course, their grip on this, it might be weird because this is a cartoonishly large handle for the gun, but it's really comfortable. I really like that. Especially if you're out there and you're sweating a lot, this is going to feel really good on your hands. The trigger itself, it's got a nice little pull on it, so it doesn't take too much of a pressure to actually pull the trigger, and it's just good. I have no complaints about this. I'll be honest with you. It's basic. It's that's just fun. I'm sorry. I love that. I'm gonna enjoy doing that a lot. That's just fun. Yeah. I have an admission to make. Deep down, I'm really just 12 years old in an adult man's body. That's what it is. Anyways, so yeah, you can actually find it on Amazon right now. I believe that it's around $8.50, and it does take a little bit to deliver to you. It's not one of the ones that's available overnight, from my understanding. You know, I ordered this about a week and a half ago, and it finally got here today. I was kind of excited to do this unboxing video, and yeah, that's why it's short and sweet and to the point. Again, Nerf Fortnite, Super Flare, definitely worth the price. And definitely is going to be fun for kids to play with because, again, who doesn't love that? You've been watching Secondhand Blasters. This is Normatico, and until next time, blast on. Oh, before I forget, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Once I do get 100 subs, I will be giving away one of the blasters. I have a Nerf Phoenix CS6, I believe, and I do have a Turbine CS18 Elite 2.0 series. One of those two will be given away as a prize to one of the lucky 100 that subscribe to my channel. You have to comment as well, because that way I can reach out to you, get details. I'll be more than happy to post my social media information to you, so you can actually contact me privately and we can exchange information. I do want to assure you that this will be free of charge to you. It's not that I'm loaded with cash or anything like that, but I want to give back to the community that has given me so much joy. Just to give you an idea, earlier I actually was able to donate about 12 different blasters over to an organization that provides services to adults with developmental disabilities who, let's be honest with you, and I'm going to get on my soapbox here, the DD community does not get as much support as it should be. Usually when people enter into adulthood, they either start losing family or family members can't afford to take care of them, so they rely on community services. There is an organization that I'm familiar with that provides these services, and I actually reached out to them and asked them, hey, how would some of the guys feel about having some of these? And they told me, Normatico, they would be overjoyed and would love these things. So I actually brought them over today, and you should have seen the look on the faces of the people that worked at the organization. They were overjoyed that somebody would do that. And like I told them, like, listen, this is a hobby that is just fun for people. Even inside of offices, it can help build teamwork. It can also just help build social interactions. So for me to do this for these people who are so limited in society, not because of anything that they can't do, but because of the stigma that's placed on them by normies, as I like to call them, it really does make a difference. So I was really lucky and really proud to see that they were so willing to receive these gifts. I hope that they can put them up to good use, and if I can actually get some pictures from them, I'll be more than happy to share them on my social media and being like, hey, listen, this is how the hobby that we love is able to bring people together. So again, until next time, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment, and you can enter the chance to win one of the blasters in my stash. Again, I have 2 new in-box blasters that I'm giving away, as well as many more that I'll be giving away once I reach a decent subscription level, where I'll be giving away at least a blaster a month. So until next time, keep on blasting.